Hey everyone, Christopher Drummond here at PFrankMD, and I'm working on Esther, and I'm doing scalp micropigmentation. And this is for people who have thinning hair and don't want to go and get, a surgical procedure, or maybe you're just not ready for that. A lot of times your scalp just isn't ready, or you have too much hair even though it's thinning out. So scalp micropigmentation is perfect for men, for women, and it takes about 1 to 2 hours, and it's a great solution. What I'm gonna do is we're starting out, and I like to create a really natural look here. So I'm not going to really draw on the outline, because I find when you draw an outline on prior to doing it, it makes it look kind of fake. So we want this to look really natural and soft. So I'm gonna start in one little area, and I create, it's called a hair follicle simulation. So you're going in and you're essentially creating little pixels, little dots that are gonna fill in the area and look really, really, really natural. This is actually a black brown that I'm using, so it's a color that matches perfectly with her hair color. And as you see, I'm randomly placing on the little dots, and what this is going to do is create some density. Some people have to come back for a second visit, some don't. Some people have to come for a third visit. It really depends on the look you want and how dense you want your scalp to look. The process generally takes about an hour if you're just doing this area here. If you're doing more, it's obviously going to take more time. So it really depends on how much work you want to have done and how much you're willing to invest in time to have this procedure done. So we just finished this side. This is one pass, and you can already see a significant difference in the fullness of the look of the scalp here, the hair. So what we do now is we're gonna let that heal. She comes back if she needs to in about 4 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks, and we do another layer. That way we can see how it healed and what else needs to be filled in. And over here, you can see that's not done. So that's what we're gonna work on next, is this side.